A lot of users all around have shared that their MacBook Pro or different MacBook Air M series just keeps having screen flickering issues. It happens either randomly, out of the blue, or while watching or playing videos, browsing. Sometimes it's constant or it just comes and goes. Although we don't have this particular problem, but we have made this video to show you some fixes that you can try to solve this problem. Now, when this happens, simply force restart your device first to make sure it's not happening for any minor software glitch. So just press and hold down the power button till it turns off, wait for a few seconds, and then press on any button to turn it on once more. After that, let's check out some display settings. From settings, first we're going to go to displays, and if True Tone option is turned on, sometimes this might cause screen flickering, so it's better to keep it turned off. After that, go to appearance, especially if you're using dark mode, it's recommended during screen flickering, just go ahead and use the light mode. After that, we're going to go to battery, from there to options. If your MacBook model is showing graphic switching option, make sure it's turned off. If it does not show anything like that, just make sure optimize video streaming while on battery option is turned on, and then just press done. Now, apart from that, a lot of stored cache can cause screen flickering problem. So to clear cache, let's open up Finder. From the Go tab, go to Folder, and simply type in ~library/caches, and then hit Enter. Now, these are all your cache folder. Now, all you gotta do is open up all the folder one after another, and simply move all the cache files inside that folder to your trash. I'm not recommending you to delete the cache folders because your Mac might misbehave. Now, if you're using any browser apart from Safari like Chrome, open up Chrome, click on this three dot, scroll down for settings, click on these horizontal lines, scroll down and enter systems, and make sure use graphic acceleration when available option is disabled. Now, more or less the things we've shown you is enough to solve the screen flickering problem. Lastly, if none of this helped you, you can boot into safe mode. For that, just turn off your MacBook and then press and hold down the power key till you end up in the startup mode. Now select Macintosh HD, move your cursor to continue, don't press it, and then just press and hold the shift key. It will show up continue in safe mode. Just click on it. Your device will restart into safe boot mode. Now, a lot of cases, if you just enter safe mode and then, just restart your device normally, it fixes the screen flickering issues unless it's a hardware issue. In that case, we recommend you to just contact Apple support ASAP. Thanks for watching.